Hi Tuesdays, how are you today? I'm gonna make some Dalgona coffee today and I'll show you how it's done and maybe you can make it for your mom and dads or brothers if they are a coffee lover. Alright. We're gonna start with setting 1, so it's just blending it. This process takes about 3 minutes. We're trying to make it foamy. And once you got the mixture, which is this consistency of froth, you use any milk you like. I chose to use oat milk because that's one of my favorite drinks to have. You use any glass cup or you could use any cup in general. And at the end of the result, you get something like this. And before you drink it, you had to mix all that froth into the milk, which is the most exciting part. And that you got with mommy and daddy on that if you like as well. Well, that's it for today, and maybe I'll keep you updated with more fun recipe or things to do. Right? Take care.